Here are my top 3 secrets on how to serve large crowds with excellent drinks quickly. Number 1, you have to have a good layout. We just wrapped up Modesto Taco Fest a couple Saturdays ago. We served thousands of people. This was our 8th year and we've tried many configurations, but what really worked this year was one large L-shaped bar in a central location. With a prep station in the back, we were able to balance all menu cocktails in large batches so that they were ready to pour ice cold. We had 12 customer-facing bartenders who were ready to take orders, and one location made it easy for our guests to know where the drinks were. Number 2, we had a great menu, if I don't say so myself. We put together 6 signature drinks for this event with flavors that truly complement tacos. Store-bought mixes would seem like the obvious choice when serving large crowds, but batching handmade bases with fresh ingredients was a better choice. I'm talking about preparing pink pineapple shrub and cherry grapefruit oleosaccharum. You don't have to know what those are, but just trust me, they take hours and hours to prepare. Having a menu with pictures on it so that people can see what they were ordering, and large signage was so important so that people can see and make a decision quickly. Number 3, we had a good system. In addition to barbacks who replenish ice and rim michelada cups with chamoy and tahine. Shout out to Lorena Garcia. We all know how much she loves that tahine. We had a secret weapon, and that's Marcos Lopez, our flavor master. He was the man behind the curtain, scaling up our craft recipes and replenishing the main mix. Having one person run point on this was crucial. This was going hand in hand with having a great team. These are people who are ready to grind with a smile on their face, working hours with minimal breaks, including my old boss. Shout out to Roman Wagner for stepping into barback. He's the owner of multiple local bars, but was humble enough to jump back in with us and put in some work. Now, if I could just take 2 more seconds to recognize the superstars that were behind the bar. We have Caitlin Riley, Sam Braitman, Amanda Townsend, Clint Shaw, Colin Sharp, Felipe Solis, Jessica Dupree, who is now Jessica Solis, Sherelle Stratton, Alicia Valdejuli, Yadira Tovar, Diego Sanchez, and Carly Curlin. And even the newest members of our team, Malia Akers and Mike Nissan. Huge thank you to our leadership team, Shauna Pierce, who's our craft supervisor, Lorena Garcia, HR manager, Ankam Ketsavan, the captain of Mob Mix and the Fun Junkies, and Maxine Sutton, who is the all-star behind the camera, behind the marketing. It's not always me posting these days, so just so you know. That's all I've got for now, but you could really support our team, Team Mob Mix, by liking and sharing this post. Cheers, and I'll see you at the next festival.